Welcome back, everyone. Just a update. Got the drive shaft all set up here. It's a Mustang drive shaft, and it's right about 55 inches. And what I had to do, I put the rear end in here, but I have to take it back out and clean it all up later on. The companion flange there on the front by the pinion was a Ranger one, and it didn't fit the Mustang yoke, so I had to go and get a Mustang one, and it went on there okay. So I pretty much got it at ride height here. I jacked it up, and I checked the angle, and I checked the angle on the transmission, and it looks pretty good. So I'm just gonna go ahead and stick it in there and take a look again. So bear with me. Okay, we got it bolted up there. Don't look too bad. Hang on, I'll crawl underneath. Okay, kind of hard to see that that's it going back there. And like I said, I didn't clean up the differential because I have to weld the brackets on for the leaf springs. And once I pull it out, I can do that, but I had to make sure that the right angle for the drive shaft before I could go any further.